Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Play Store free up space to install problem. So if you encounter this problem, this is because of your storage is full. It's simple. Usually if you want to install a large size of game, for example, Call of Duty. So if I'm not mistake, this this installation or the exe is a 0.98 gigabyte. Sorry, this is PUBG. This one, Call of Duty. The installation or the exe, it's 2 gigabyte. It's a big size for installer. And after you install this app, it will be 30 gigabyte. So you need to free up your space, free up your storage. For example, you can tap on your profile, tap on manage app and device. Here, as you can see, I have enough space, but if you sufficient on storage, it will be red color in here. So you can tap it and try to uninstall unneeded app, or you can clear cache the app. For example, if you often use Chrome, you can clear cache of your Chrome by hold the Chrome icon, tap app info, and go to the storage usage. You can clear cache here. So you can clear cache one by one, for example, the Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media. And you can try to back up your gallery, your media, video, photo into your Google Drive, into your a OneDrive, or you can back up manually using your flash drive to free up some space. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.